Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X9 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this device. So, before we get started, you will need to grab your SIM eject tool, which will look something similar to this and comes provided with the phone and the box. But if you can find it, you could use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it will work about as well as these do. In any case, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. So right over here. Grab the tool, put it in here, and then push it in. And you can then pull it out all the way. Man, there's so many nuances in saying this. Anyway, on the tray, you have space for two different SIM cards. So you have at the top one. So if you pull it out, then this is top. You have SIM 1, and then on the bottom side, you have SIM 2. And this will matter which one you occupy if you're planning to use also eSIM. So eSIM doesn't occupy any of the cards or spots right here, as it's a digital SIM card. So it's kind of weird to call it card in this case. It's a digital SIM. Now, with that in mind, when you're planning to use a digital SIM or eSIM, you can do that by going into your settings right here and mobile network, I believe it was, and eSIM, and you would toggle that on. And as you can see, when you toggle it on or try to, it gets you this message: SIM 2 will be disabled if you enable eSIM. Enable it anyways. I'm gonna select cancel. But in any case, so with that in mind, the bottom tray basically becomes unavailable to you when using eSIM. So even if you have a card right here, it will no longer be detected by the device, and eSIM will take its spot, even if you just enable this and don't have an eSIM. So let's just wait for this. So yeah, now it's enabled, and this tray doesn't work anymore. And just to kind of showcase this, maybe it will give me some kind of notification about it, but we'll see. Nothing. Literally nothing. So just to kind of showcase this, if I flip the cards over, come on, there we go. So I'm gonna put it on the correct tray, pop that in, and there is instantly SIM card pin, which I will confirm to unlock my SIM card. So that's obviously SIM card working. Now, if this is turned off, you can place your card on the bottom tray as well. It doesn't matter. You can occupy both of these. You can occupy obviously eSIM and top SIM spot as well. And for eSIM purposes, if you're planning to add one, you just click right here, add eSIM, but you do need to have internet connection for this to add it. So remember that. And yeah, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.